How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. So Apple just released another software update yesterday. So we have the iOS 15.0.2. Previously was the iOS 15.0.1, but now we have another update which kind of surprised actually. This software update is around 400-500 megabytes, depends of your device. So if you have an iPhone SE first generation or iPhone 6s, this is the iPhone 6s, and I updated last night, and the software was installed no more than 5 minutes. This is a software update if you had any problems on older devices, on new devices as well. So some of the problems are on the photo library, as you can see here. So I'm gonna leave this on the screen to check it as well. But this software update doesn't bring any new features, just fixes some bugs, problems, some problems with your iPhone 6s or iPhone SE if you had any problems. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues, any problems with your iPhone 6s for the past couple of days, because I didn't have any problems with my iPhone 6s. This iPhone works completely fine and I didn't have any issues, which I'm very happy to report that to you. And this iPhone still works amazing, all the widgets, everything, camera, on a daily basis this works amazing. And I'm happy about iPhone 6s users. So let me know in the comments down below if this is the case with your iPhone 6s. And did you have any slowdowns? Did you have any problems with the camera? Did you have any problems with some apps? I didn't have any issues with this iOS 15 previously, and now we're on iOS 15.0.2. And yeah, this just was a quick video, guys, about the iPhone 6s. And let me know in the comments down below if you happy about this software update and in general with the iOS 15. And if you enjoy this type of videos, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Don't forget the bell, otherwise you'll miss the video. So let me know what do you think, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.